of the snake, Kaliya, is a well-known theme taken from the childhood adventures of Krishna. Krishna, along with his friends, comes to the river in a merry mood. However, getting to know the wickedity of Kaliya, Krishna climbs on a tree and dives deep. And much action happens underwater, where Krishna is trying to negotiate with Kaliya to leave the river. Agitated Kaliya pounces upon Krishna and tries to attack him, while Krishna enjoys dancing on the hoods of Kaliya, on the slippery hoods of Kaliya, while the world rejoices. Kalinga Nartana.